This is Anthony here, and we're gonna do an unboxing of the Bond Signature Series fire pit. I picked this up at Lowe's. It weighed about 125 pounds. It was a little heavy, so I did need some help to get it back here. It's a gas fire pit, and it's 50,000 BTUs. That's a pretty strong fire pit, so it should really warm up the place, and it should create great ambiance. I like the way it was built. It was definitely heavy duty, so I'm gonna see today if it's worth your while to purchase it. Let's see. So the gas consumption is actually supposed to be really good for this. I read the reviews. Now I did see in one of the reviews that people seem not to like the lava rocks that came with the item. So I went and bought fiberglass. I heard that in some instances, like the lava rocks popped and like caused damage. So I definitely didn't want to experience that here. So I'm going to be using fiberglass. Coming out. So also the height is just right. You know, it's perfect for like sitting around, having hot cocoa. Pretty cool. All right, so it looks like it comes with a cover. It comes with a cover, but I actually ordered a heavy-duty cover from Amazon because I have a wood fire pit. I don't know if you can see it back over there. The cover that's on that is deteriorating from the sun, so I don't know if I'm going to be using this. I'll be using the one that I bought from Amazon. Alright, so this is the lava rocks that we're not going to use, because we're going to use fiberglass. Here it looks like there is a AAA battery, and I'm sure the AAA battery is for the starter on this thing. So it's push button. So that's breath of fresh air. Alright, so this is it right here. I'm rolling this out. I have my assistant that's going to be here is going to like pull some of this trash out of the way. So there you go, nice. It's plastic wrap here. Look at this. It's got like this beautiful decor. To give some nice ambiance here. For those night parties. There you go. Yeah. Alright, so there is a door on this side that comes off, and no se preocupe, and it says basically in English, don't worry, you've got this. So this is like easy stuff. I'm pretty sure anybody can put this together. So inside here, I'm just gonna turn it so that you can see inside. You see that? It's just a hollow opening, and it looks like inside where the switch is at is like a little mechanism where you would put that battery in, the AAA battery. So I'm gonna put the battery in, and then we're gonna ignite this. I got a 20-pound bottle of propane right here. So I'm going to put the propane inside there, I'm going to put the battery in, and I'm going to ignite it. Let's see how it goes. So there's actually a correction on the weight. My son pointed it out to me. It's 137 pounds. So it's heavy. You know, so I had like a little sand cart that we used to load it on, and then between me and my 11-year-old son, we pulled it back here. So it's not like, you know, you need like an army to move this thing. But actually, there is another correction. So the AA battery actually goes inside the starter button. It's right here. So it's gonna go, it just screws right off. like this. Goes in like that, real easy. So this thing is amazing because it didn't require any tools. No tools. I mean, it pretty much just came assembled. So again, I didn't have to use any of my tools. I did have to use a razor. So in the box also, which I noticed that it comes with touch-up paint, which is great. You know, for scuffs, accidents. So this is pretty cool that it has like its own little touch-up. It has a black and it has like the stone color on the side, which is pretty cool. All right, so again, the lava rocks, these lava rocks, I'm not gonna use because I've read reviews that people turned this on and they were popping and they were flying to the ceiling and like breaking glass. So I didn't want that to happen here. So instead, I bought these crystals, these fire glass. So this was $64.98. I don't know, you might be able to get it cheaper on Amazon. But we're gonna open this. So basically, it's shards of glass. I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put this in there, just like that. And I think this adds to the ambiance actually, because it's gonna like flicker the fire. So the only way to see how this is gonna look is to check this out at night. So this is a 25-pound crystal fire glass bucket. So if you go on Amazon, you're going to see a 10-pound, 15-pound. I think you're going to want the 25-pound so that you have some extra. You never know what's going to happen with these things too. Alright, so alright. Yeah, that's I have maybe a quarter of a bucket left. So you know, you definitely need a 25-pound. Alright, so let's see about igniting this bad boy. Almost got it there. That's it. There we go. Here we go, guys. A complete Bond fire pit. So this is the Bond Signature Series, and it's 50,000 BTUs. 50,000 BTUs. So this is gonna warm up this whole area here. You know, it's great for dinners and parties. Listen, guys, I highly recommend this. It's an easy put together. Didn't take very long and didn't require any tools. So stay tuned on next reviews and check out my cooking videos. Take care.